Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Hazel from Handcrafted Expressions. Today, as a design team member for the Robin Nest Creative, I will be designing this card using a 5x5 white base, and I will be using these fabulous colors of the dewdrops from the Robin Nest Creative website. I will use some stamps from my stash to stamp the image. Here I have taken a hedgehog stamp and some few pumpkins to go with it. So here I am using the VersaFine Clear black ink and I'll stamp my images. So here we have got a nice and crisp image stamped. Now I'll take the pumpkins and I'll stamp them over, creating a pattern. So here I'm using my pumpkin stamp and I'm giving it a nice press here. This is a set of 12 colors from Artisan. So here I am taking the orange and I will just color this. Here we are done with the dewdrops and the card. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for joining. Bye. See you next time. Do visit the Robin Nest website for the lovely dewdrops.